Hey there, BMW enthusiasts! Welcome back to Faster Cars channel. Today, we're excited to bring you the latest scoop on the highly anticipated 2026 BMW 6 Series. This iconic Grand Tourer is making a comeback after a 7-year hiatus, and we can't wait to dive into the details. So, let's get started. So what can we expect from the all-new 2026 BMW 6 Series? Well, for starters, it's set to take the place of both the 8 Series and the internal combustion-powered 4 Series models. That's right, folks! The 6 Series is back, and it's going to be a game-changer. According to Automotive News, the 6 Series will be based on BMW's cluster architecture platform, which can support gas-only, hybrid, and electric powertrains. We're assuming all engine options will feature some form of electrification, and we wouldn't be surprised to see a 3.0-liter straight-six engine under the hood. Now, let's talk design. We're expecting both a coupe and convertible model of the 2026 6 Series, with a possible 4-door Gran Coupe model joining the lineup as well. With its sleek lines and luxurious features, this car is sure to turn heads on the road. Inside, we can expect premium materials, advanced tech, and plenty of comfort features to make this Grand Tourer a joy to drive. So how much will this beauty cost? We're expecting the 2026 6 Series to fall between the incumbent 4 and 8 Series in terms of price, with a possible starting price around $88,000. Production is set to begin in July 2026, and we may see it debut as a 2027 model. Of course, we'll have to wait for more details to be confirmed, but one thing's for sure, the 2026 BMW 6 Series is going to be a stunning addition to the BMW lineup. That's it for today, folks. We hope you enjoyed this preview of the 2026 BMW 6 Series. Let us know in the comments what you think about this new model, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more car news and reviews.